Inaasikasohan ko po kayo na bisitahin ang Black Rock Camping Farm located at Sitio Balagbag, Barangay San Isidro, Montalban, Rizal, where you can enjoy the spring water coming from the mountain, breathtaking mountain view, sa gabi naman yung city light. And also experience our affordable rooms. Mayroon kaming view deck, mayroon kaming triangle, at saka open cottages. And we have a wide camping ground for tent pitching. And the cool breeze, wherein may mala Tagaytay at Bagyo kami na klima dito. So welcome to Black Rock. For inquiries, you can visit our FB and page, Black Rock Camping Farm.